How to get rid of bed bugs in your mattress, detailed guide. Bed bugs are a huge annoyance. Not only are they difficult to get rid of, they can also cause a lot of stress and anxiety. If you have bed bugs in your mattress, don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to get rid of bed bugs in your mattress. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of these annoying pests. Get rid of it! Identify the bed bugs. First, let's start with identifying bed bugs. Bed bugs are small, reddish-brown insects. They are about the size of an apple seed. They are mostly nocturnal, but they also move around during the day. These pests feed on the blood of humans and animals. As a result, they can cause itchy bites and skin irritation. Identifying bed bugs is crucial. It will help you determine the severity of the infestation and also help you choose the most effective plan for eliminating them. To identify bed bugs, start by inspecting your mattress. Look for signs of bed bugs, such as blood stains or fecal matter. You may also see the bugs themselves, either alive or dead. Sometimes you might find shed skins from molting bed bug nymphs. If you suspect bed bugs are present, act quickly to prevent the infestation from spreading. Do the next step to begin the elimination process. Vacuum your mattress and bedding. Vacuuming is a simple and effective way to get rid of bed bugs. We recommend using a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. These vacuum cleaners can trap small particles like bed bugs and their eggs. To start vacuuming, remove all bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and comforters, from your mattress. Place them in a plastic bag and seal them tightly. Use the crevice tool attachment on your vacuum cleaner to clean along your mattress's seams, folds, and tufts. Pay special attention to areas where bed bugs are likely to hide. These areas include the corners and edges of the mattress. Vacuum your pillows, especially the seams and crevices. This will remove any bed bugs that may be hiding there. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner to clean your box spring and bed frame. Don't forget to vacuum any nearby furniture, such as nightstands or dressers. The bed bugs might have moved into those nearby items. Ensure that you clean the area thoroughly. This is important because bed bugs are known to hide in cracks and crevices. After you're done vacuuming, remove the vacuum bag or empty the canister. Then, dispose of it outside your home. This will ensure that the vacuumed bed bugs won't be able to escape and rainfest your home. Steam clean your mattress. Steam cleaning is a highly effective method for eliminating bed bugs and their eggs. The high temperature of the steam can kill bed bugs on contact. This makes it an excellent option for those who want to avoid using chemicals. Begin by removing all beddings and vacuuming your mattress thoroughly. This will help remove any loose debris. It will also make the steam cleaning process more effective. Next, fill your steam cleaner with water and turn it on. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure the steam cleaner is properly heated and ready to use. Hold the steam cleaner's nozzle a few inches away from the surface of your mattress. Then, slowly move it over the entire surface. Pay particular attention to seams, folds, and tufts. The steam should be hot enough to kill any bed bugs or eggs that may be present. Be sure to work in small sections. Take your time to allow the steam to penetrate the surface of the mattress. This will ensure that all bed bugs are exposed to the high temperature of the steam. After steam cleaning, allow your mattress to dry completely. This may take several hours, depending on the humidity in your home. Seal up your mattress. This step will prevent bed bugs from entering or exiting your mattress. This step is more effective after eliminating the bed bugs through the previous steps. First, remove all bedding, pillows, and any other items from your mattress. This will allow you to work on the mattress more easily. Using a bed bug-proof mattress encasement, cover your mattress entirely. Make sure to choose an encasement that is specifically designed for bed bugs. The encasement should also be the appropriate size for your mattress. Next, carefully zip the encasement closed. Ensure that there are no gaps or tears that bed bugs can enter through. If you have a box spring, repeat this process with a bed bug-proof box spring encasement. This will ensure that bed bugs cannot enter or exit your box spring. Once your mattress and box spring are fully encased, leave the encasements on for at least a year. This will prevent any bed bugs still hiding in your mattress from escaping and infesting other areas of your home. Please note that while mattress encasements are highly effective at preventing the spread of bed bugs, they do not kill them unless they are trapped within the encasement for over a year. Also note that this method will work only if you've dealt with bed bugs in other areas of your home. Otherwise, you'll just reintroduce them from those places. So check other videos in our playlist on how to get rid of bed bugs in other parts of your home. Wash all beddings in hot water. Remove all beddings, including sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and any other washable items from your mattress. Place the items in the washing machine. Use the hottest water setting available on your machine. Then, add laundry detergent. Run the items through a full wash cycle. This will ensure that the hot water has enough time to penetrate all the fabric's fibers. Dry the items on the hottest dryer setting available. This will further kill any bed bugs or eggs that may have survived the wash cycle. If you still encounter bed bugs after doing the steps we've shown so far, contact a professional. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.